Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers, many greeting and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Comment how you like the video. Any color paper should be cut. Now the paper should be paired like this. At this point, the paper should be cut into the shape of a flower. I made another flower of camera. The flower should be cut like this. Flower should be made by applying glue. Now make a stick. This time I attach the flower with glue. I will attach the leaf. So see how beautiful a flower is made. Many thanks Sonia Craft Gallery for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new videos and subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon.